I'm so impressed with John Lloyd and Bea because after that project, hindi na kami nagkatrabaho ulit. And of course, they became superstars of this of the industry, no? You would think na baka assume na may baka nagbago. But surprisingly, you know what? These two actors, Bea and John Lloyd, sabi ko nga sa mga kasama ko, hindi kaya uma-acting na lang yung dalawang yan. Pero hindi talaga, mabait talaga. They are such professional actors. Bilib na bilib ako yung professionalism nila. Secondly, they love their craft. And thirdly, you know, they're so down to earth. Walang reklamo tong dalawang to eh. When it comes to work, man, I mean, andun na lang yung dalawa doon. As a co-actor naman, I really appreciate that because ibibigay mo rin yung 1,000% mo kung nakikita mo yung co-actors mo who's giving like probably more. And when it comes to Direk Katsuki naman, when I did Kay Tagal, actually Kay Tagal is very close to my heart because I won Best Actor there. Best soap kami. That's why Kay Tagal ang Kangininday is very close to my heart. And I knew that time pa lang na Katsuki will be big. I think what makes brilliant directors are brilliant writers. So I guess it follows. Definitely in writing kasi Tagay-Tagal was a wow. Kahit ngayon, some people would still call him Boris, you know. Sabi ko, wow, tagal na nun. But yeah, that's how they remembered me. You know, I'm just happy that I'm working with generous actors also, no? Kasi mahirap yun pag yung ka-eksena mo hindi generous eh, di ba? We're a team actually, no? I mean, ABBA cast, the staff and crew are one team, so talagang bigayan kami. So when it comes to that, my reaction would come from how John Lloyd and Bea would act as Jen and Leon, di ba? Toward Edward. All I can say is that I'm excited when that week comes, no? Na talagang malalaman na ni Edward, malalaman na. Ang challenge siguro doon is that I don't think that's part of my assignment na pwede ko nang isipin na kung anong gagawin ko doon or kung ano. I think the challenge there is that believable ka eh. Na na-in-love din sa'yo si Genevieve Saavedra at the same time on the persona of Bea Alonzo. I mean, that's the challenge there.